Welcome back to Air Hero. This is my last video of my three-part series of unlocking your ASIair Pro. Similar to what we did in episode 2, we're going to copy an image onto your blank SD card, except this time instead of Astroberry, we're going to use the ASIair image that we used to back up your original ZWO image. At first, this would be a perfect replica of your ZWO image, but once we go into it, we're going to unlock this, so you can switch back and forth between your normal ZWO image and your ASIair unlocked. So for step 1, we're going to insert the SD card into the micro SD adapter. We're going to plug it into your computer. We're going to launch Rufus. We're going to select the SD card USB adapter, and we're going to go ahead and select the image from your ASIair master image. Once this process is complete, we're actually going to boot your ASIair using the Astroberry SD card from episode 2. We're going to do this because we have full access to this operating system. And then we're going to go ahead and plug in the SD card adapter and the new SD card into the USB ports. And we're going to use Astroberry to go in and unlock the SD card that contains the actual ASIair operating system. For step 2, you're going to download PuTTY from www.putty.org. You're going to launch it, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to launch into astroberry.local and click open. When prompted, the username and password are Astroberry lowercase. You should get a console that launches similar to the one on your screen. I'm going to start to type some commands. However, I'm going to put these commands also in the comments, so if you just want to copy and paste those in or type them in yourself, you can do that. And essentially what this process does is it goes into the SD card that contains the ZWO image, and it simply resets the Pi username, which is the original Raspberry Pi username, into a password that we know. And this effectively is how we unlock the ASIair. If you haven't used Nano before, it's simply a text editing software within Linux. We're going to use this to locate the Pi username and its encrypted password. We're going to remove this line, and we're going to simply paste in a new line that contains the Pi username plus another encrypted password. You can copy and paste the new line out of the comments of this video. For our last step, we're going to turn off the ASIair. We're going to remove the Astroberry image. You're going to move the SD card from the USB adapter into the ASIair and turn it on. When you hear that iconic beep, you know the ASIair is done booting, and you go ahead and try logging on using PuTTY. Normally we wouldn't know the username or password to get in the ASIair, but now we've reset it and you can log in using the username Pi and the password Raspberry. Congratulations, you did it! You unlocked your ASIair. For my next videos, I'm going to teach you how to install other pieces of software that will complement your ASI experience. Please go ahead and press the subscribe button if you want to be notified when I release these videos. Thanks again for joining.